Next segment.
Okay.
All right, we're kind of rushing through this. Look at this. Look at that. It's already 12 minutes.
Look at that.
Yeah, but we're gonna get into your segment, and that's gonna delay us a little bit. All right.
Yeah.
So segment 3
Mhm.
is travel
tips of the week.
Good. And what are we talking about?
Cruise tripping.
There we go.
Tipping.
Or-
Tips.
No, trips. Tips.
First
Okay.
time cruise tips.
Oh my God. Okay. So you want to tell us the first one?
So tip number 1, hack number 1 is flying into your departure city at least one day early.
Yes, you should.
100%.
To settle down. Why it matters because cruises do not wait for delayed flights.
Yep.
So that way, if you have any flight issues, at least if you go a day before, you won't miss your cruise.
100%. Plus, the good thing out of that, even if you came in like more than one day ahead, you can have like 2 vacations in one. So you can do
That's
a
right.
pre-trip, make
Pre-trip,
sure you're there, and
party, and then you get
party.
drunk, and then you're hungover.
and
You
then
don't
stumble
put the
onto your
alarm,
boat.
and then you miss the ship.
Oh, well, we're back to the original problem of possibly missing the cruise.
So like go to your destination place.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you know what? Okay, I gotta talk about that. Anyway, so sorry, I got distracted. But yes, that's friggin' so basically arrive at the embarkation city the day before, protects you from flight delays or any missing sailings, and a relaxed pre-cruise night, like you said, to explore.
Yeah.
But don't explore Miami because then that gets crazy.
Don't do that in Miami because you will definitely lose.
Mood.
Miss
Blah, 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 blah,
the
blah.
cruise the next day.
Yeah, remember, there's a podcast and people are listening to it. You said mood. Mood. Okay.
It was miss and lose.
All together.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to take your ADD first. You have to take your ADD. All right. Tip or hack number 2, make your first cruise a 5 or 7 day Caribbean itinerary. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this.
I truly feel like that's very personal. I don't want to be stuck in one thing for that long. I think 5 days is a sweet spot.
For
So, like, 3
the
to 5.
Caribbean specifically, or like any cruise?
For sure the Caribbean 3 to 5. I mean, but like if you're gonna do the European river cruise or something, that's a little bit different.
Yeah.
And it's a different pace. And I think that there you could do a long cruise.
Yes. Yeah. But maybe that's why they say the first one should be in the Caribbean because it's easy. It's always sunny.
But
and
7 days in the Caribbean is really long.
Yeah, I
time.
would.
I don't think I want to do that.
I would do 3 to 5.
I mean, 10 days in Morocco went by like so fast, but
But on a boat.
not a boat. No.
Yeah, I'm not a cruise guy.
Me too.
No.
And every time I see that, people think I'm crazy.
No, and I mean, I think they're great, and I understand why people love them.
Yes.
And all that stuff. So as being part of a travel thing, I'm pro cruise.
Yeah.
But me personally, I don't like cruises because I like
100%.
to be on land and do what I want to do.
100%. I'm the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see?
I get very I want to get off.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm like, oh, I'm in the same fucking
Yeah,
place.
yeah.
Oh, go to the same pizza place, and I just
Yeah.
lose my shit.
That's why I think 3-5 days max.
Yeah. You want to do number 3 because you haven't
Sure.
barely talking this episode.
Here, let me turn the page to number 3. Number 3, pack a carry-on day bag for embarkation day. Oh, I did read this. And yes, sometimes it takes a long time to get your luggage from like when you get on. So they were saying you were saying to bring a little bag and you can change in the room and then head straight to the pool and buy your drink.
Got it. There you go. That's a good tip.
Saw that?
So a small bag with medication, a
Yep.
swimsuit, sunscreen, hat, your phone charger lets you hit the pool deck the second you board.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna be honest. Have you been to the pool deck of a cruise?
Kind of gross.
Not a fan.
This is where I'm like,
Not a fan. I don't know why we're doing this segment because we're not fans of cruises.
but if you need to go on a cruise, call me. I'll book it for
yeah,
you.
yeah. And then the tip or hack number 4 is always download the cruise line app before you board. Obviously, basically it's your remote control for the whole trip on the boat. So you could check in, get mobile boarding pass, daily schedules, make dining reservations, etc.
Yeah.
So it's like your go-to. Definitely recommend that. And then I think you need to do number 5.
Sure. Buy travel insurance that specifically covers the cruise. This I say 100%. I think this is one of the mistakes that a lot of people do. They don't want to spend the money on the travel insurance. And I think that is a huge mistake.
Yeah, I agree.
I actually
That
learned
extra
that myself
cost
the hard
saves.
way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did? Why?
Because I should have bought insurance for Morocco.
Oh, you didn't.
Oh, and I didn't.
Oh
Yeah.
man, yeah, no. You always gotta buy insurance.
Yeah. So take it from me.
Yeah.
Buy your travel
It's
insurance.
like okay, you're investing money unless you're
Right.
filthy rich or whatever, but you're
Right.
investing money. It's a big investment to go travel. If it costs you an extra 50 or $100 or
And that's the
whatever,
thing. It's like what 2%, not even of what you actually spent on the trip. Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
it's worth it.
100% do it.
Okay, that was tips of the week.
Oh
I
my
hope you
God.
enjoyed that. It wasn't too
Yeah.
bad either,
I
right?
enjoyed it
Are
as
you
well.
feeling like you're getting it? You're on the bike.
Yeah,
You
yeah, I'm on
feel
the
like
bike.
you're warming up? Okay, good.